What is zoning? Zoning is the way a community controls the physical development of land and the use of property. Every property in the city has a legal zoning designation that determines how a property can be utilized. Zoning was originally created as a tool to protect the health and safety of a community by separating incompatible land uses. Today, zoning still serves this purpose, but it's also used to help protect neighborhood character and property values, create new and unique places in the city, and implement many of the land use and design goals of the general plan. So why is zoning important? Knowing a property's zoning is critical to understanding what is legally allowed to occur on the property, and where and to what extent buildings can be constructed. If you are thinking about buying a home or starting a business, choosing a property that has the zoning that meets your needs is a vital first step. What exactly does zoning do? Zoning regulates many aspects of a property. The first and most notable aspect zoning regulates is land use. Zoning codes are typically organized into several sections based on groupings of land use categories, from single-family residential to industrial. For the most part, zoning categories are intended to only allow for one type of land use. For example, zoning categories for single-family residential only allow you to live in the house, but do not permit any business activity to occur. Let's highlight some other key aspects of zoning besides land use regulation. Building height. Zoning regulates how tall buildings or structures can be on a property. Setbacks. Every zoning district sets parameters for minimum or maximum distances a building can be from a property line. Lot coverage. Many zoning districts also regulate how much of a property can be covered by the building. Density. Zoning sets limits on how many dwelling units or homes can be placed on a property. For example, if your property is zoned single-family residential, it can only have one primary structure on it for living purposes. Thank you so much for watching. Want to learn more about zoning? Please visit our website at phoenix.gov/PDD. This video is brought to you through a partnership with the Arizona Community Foundation.